Thank you, Mr. Powell. Anyone else?
I'd love to continue if I can.
All right, Mr. Wise.
I understand that we'd like to try to find a solution for it, that time is needed to implement something in place, but I'm not willing to put people's lives at risk while during that period of time. So, is it fair to the good people that go out there and play? No. It's very unfortunate that a few bad seeds are ruining it for the good men and women that go out there and want to blow off steam after work by playing a good pickup game. I'm for shutting it down and exploring another possibility of relocating or partnering with the county to build even better facilities that would include baseball diamonds, that would include a soccer field, something along that line, something even maybe indoors. So that's where I stand.
Thank you, Mr. Wise.
Mayor Day, just one more thing before Chief Henderson comes. I just want us as council to look at it again. If this is how we handle this solution for this problem, then how do we handle it? This doesn't set a real bad precedent. I also want to distinguish several people that came up here and gave comment. Quickly, they would say park and then switch to basketball court. There is no evidence, and I would hope Chief Henderson would speak to this, that anything precipitated by the park has caused any of this concern, which is a justifiable concern. So if we're so concerned, I guess I'm trying to get the understanding of what is about the basketball court or those that frequent the basketball court, and what is it, unless you're a ballistic specialist, that can identify that those 6 shots that you heard rang came from the basketball courts. I just want clarification on that because I don't want to discriminate against any group. And when I say discrimination now, we're not talking about racial or anything. There's a group of people that play there. That park is right there by Lee Street Elementary. That park is right there by the marketplace. It's also by the playground. I live on Lee Street. I live closer than Mr. Wise does. And when I hear shots or alleged fireworks or alleged shot, I can't tell you where they come from. But I'm trying to get understanding from my fellow council members. And let's be honest. Let's have these hard, difficult conversations publicly about why it is that the basketball court and not the whole park, not the tennis court, not the marketplace. And I've seen people conjugate, talk, laugh, joke, and do all kinds of things. Unless you all have some evidence that I don't know.
Anyone have any evidence? I don't have any evidence.
Mayor, just one more thing. And to what, speak to what Councilwoman Sartor is saying. We don't have any, speaking of evidence, we don't have any evidence that the people who drove by and threw out fireworks or possibly shot off a gun, that they actually play ball at the courts. We don't have any evidence of that. We don't have any, we don't even have the individuals who have perpetrated these situations. We don't have them. We don't have any information to state that they actually are playing ball on the court. So it's, I just wish that council, and I understand the frustration of the people who live in and around the park. I get that, but I just think we can find a better way to address this than just completely shutting down the tennis courts and the basketball courts. Thank you, Mayor.